Good morning everyone and welcome to Key Stage 1 Celebration Assembly. It was lovely to see so many of you at home in your Zoom lessons wearing your World Book Day costumes yesterday, and it was fabulous seeing those of you in school wearing some really good costumes. I hope, like me, you enjoyed seeing Mr. Millership's World Book Day video. It was really lovely to hear a very funny story. So this week with our celebration, I have the attendance winners. So in early years and foundation stage, the children who have attended school and online Zoom lessons the most this week is nursery. So well done all the children and families in nursery who have been taking part in school and in online learning. That's fantastic, well done. And in Key Stage 1, the class with the most children attending school online and in school is 1D. Fabulous. So well done, nursery and 1D. We will make sure that attendance TED comes winging its way towards you. That's fantastic. Now, moving on to learners of the week. Now, I've spoken to many teachers who've told me they find it so difficult to choose the children because so many people are working so hard, both at home and at school, on their learning. So these children have done extra specially well. So well done to Archie in 1A for always challenging himself with his schoolwork. In 1B, we have Dylan for always working his hardest during his Zoom lessons. In 1C, Harry for always trying incredibly hard during his Zoom lessons. And in 1D, Clara for her fantastic home learning on Zoom. She's joined in every session every day. So well done, Clara, and well done all the children in Year 1 for Learners of the Week. Give yourselves a really big clap. Moving on to Year 2, in 2A we have Oliver for demonstrating great perseverance and for aspiring to do his very best in class. Well done, Oliver. And in 2B, we have Ronnie for showing fantastic improvement in his handwriting. In 2C, Ava for her fantastic work on telling the time. And in 2D, we have Molly for showing improved concentration and independence with her learning. Well done, Molly. That's fantastic. And well done all the children in Year 2 for improving, and I think it's all on learning this week, so well done and showing the Garland values. Moving on to early years foundation stage. In Rainbow class, we have Lottie for increased confidence to participate in Zoom activities. In Alien class, we have James for fantastic writing in phonics. In Dragon class, we have Kian for always working really hard on his learning at home. In Pirate class, we have Isaac for a brilliant effort in all of his learning. And in Dinosaur class, we have Sophia for fantastic effort in all areas of her learning. So well done all those children in early years and nursery for making sure they're working hard at all times. That's really well done. Now, I don't know about you, but we're very much looking forward to Monday because do you know what's happening on Monday? Well, we've got a weekend, and then on Monday, the 8th of March, we are welcoming back everybody into school. And we've been talking to your parents and your carers and your teachers and getting the school ready to welcome back everybody on Monday morning. We are so looking forward to seeing everybody. It's been a long time, and I hope that we have a really fabulous day all together back in school on Monday. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you bright and early on Monday morning. See you soon.